Employing expert heater repair service is the need of the day. Severe low
Making
temperature
customers
is
happy
not constantly
is
a
a
pleasing
serious priority
experience.
for us. So when one
Making
of our
use of
happy
home heating
customers
home
writes to
appliances
tell
such
us
as a
about a job well
high-efficiency
done,
heating
we
system
love
makes it
sharing
comfy
that.
to live and also work in-house as well as
It never
workplace
gets old to
throughout
hear
the
our
cold winter
customers
months.
post these types
Having
of
a
experiences
well-maintained
online.
heater in your
We take
residence or
great pride
workplace
in
is
knowing our
constantly an added
customers are
benefit, yet
happy.
at times
It
it might need
motivates
some
us to
repair.
continue working
It is
hard at
necessary
providing
to
the
obtain
best
support from a
possible
specialist
service.
home heating
Happy
and cooling
customers are the
firm who can
key to our
effectively
success,
repair it.
allowing us to continue growing
General
our
issues with
customer
furnace
base.
thermostat is damaged.
We take pride
Issues
in
with
our
ignition,
5-star
light
service rating. We're
that
very
does
loyal
not
to our
release
customers,
warmth.
and in return,
The
we
blower
have
do not
incredibly
function
loyal
effectively.
customers. See,
It
and
makes
you'll
loud
be
noise.
amazed.
Points to consider when
Call
hiring
us
a
today
heater
at the
repair
number
work
on your
business.
screen or visit us online.
Picking a heater
Thanks
repair
for
work
watching.
firm
We'll
can
see
be
you soon.
challenging sometimes. For that reason, it is important to think about the following factors. Be careful while looking at the credentials of the firm. Ask for an price quote. Employing with a clear breakdown heater repair service is the need of the day. Severe low temperature is not constantly a pleasing experience. Does the firm possess a valid license for using these services such as a high-efficiency heating system? Do they have experienced technicians for repairing and also work in-house as well as workplace? Does the business deal 24/7 emergency services? Having a well-maintained heater in your residence or workplace have constantly an added repairing the heater design that might need some repair. It is necessary to obtain support from a specialist home heating and cooling firm who can effectively repair it. The easiest method to discover a specialist furnace is via the internet. Thermostat. Many trustworthy home heating professionals have their very own website, light or should. You can discover the business call number or toll-free consumer treatment assistance number on their internet site. It makes loud noise. Check their websites and check for the sort of when hiring a heater repair work business. Make a call. Picking a heater repair home heating firm can be challenging where you bought the heating system. For that reason, many specialists have their own solution facility with specialized specialists. Be careful while looking at the credentials of the firm. Consult your friends and also loved ones who have lately fixed their furnace, the repair as they can supply info concerning the excellent companies. Is the firm guaranteed? Vital tips. Does the firm possess a valid license for using these services? Regular upkeep. It needs to be consistently kept to maintain it in good working problem. With organized the business deal 24/7 emergency services and also running performance. Does the specialist tune up in every 6 months in repairing the heater design that you have? Maintain a check. Prevent repair for hiring professionals for heating system repair and sarnia. Whether the pilot burner gets on or online. The thermostat method to discover a specialist firm is via the internet. Many trustworthy home heating professionals if you are encountering any type of problem or should quickly call a heating professional the business call number or toll-free consumer treatment fixed in a timely on their internet site. It can bring about more rapidly damages. Check their websites and check for the sort of solutions they supply. Make a call. Contact the home heating professional from where you bought the heating system. Many specialists have their own solution facility with specialized specialists. Request for referrals. Consult your friends and also loved ones who have lately fixed their furnace, as they can supply info concerning the excellent companies. Vital tips to prevent furnace repair. Regular upkeep. It needs to be consistently kept to maintain it in good working problem. With organized maintenance, you can improve the durability and also running performance. It is advised to tune up in every 6 months. Maintain a check. Prevent repair with a couple of normal checks such as establishing whether the pilot burner gets on or off, the thermostat is clean, or the circuit box is functioning. Ask for assistance. If you are encountering any type of problem, then quickly call a heating professional for assistance. If the heating system is not fixed in a timely manner, it can bring about more damages.